for Diane, so I'm gonna give it to you in a second. So forth are up to date. That would be really helpful for me.
Can't wait until he comes to frame this.
As you're drawing out the maroon from the background.
What? Do you want some?